Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's about the Nokia 6600S. It's a pretty cool and slick phone, but the body shell it's scratched basically. So I'll have to tear it apart, clean it, put the new front and back, and some used buttons, but not these buttons in the front. I'm gonna keep the original buttons on under the slide because I don't have others. I'm poor. So without further ado, let's begin. Well, here it is. It's on its scratched glory. It's not that bad, but I can leave it like this. $168 talk hours, not bad. Yep, camera is working. Well, let's begin. So much dust I have to clean again. Oh my god, yeah. Yikes. Blech. Ugh. I'll have to use this, so letting it there to clean, and where am I? That's kind of it. I'll reuse this, but not these, even though these are not looking that bad, but I have others. So. Oh my god. I'm scared. There should be 2 more screws underneath the buttons. Or keyboard, or how you like to call it. Nope. Yeah, this plastic is cracked here. I'll have to glue it after I clean it. Oh my god. Let's look at the main board as it is, full of dust. Ew. This will remain as it is. I'll just clean it. That was not expected, but okay, it happened. Yeah, I'll have to fix this and clean it at the same time. Also, here's the earpiece as well. I'll get to clean this and be right back with the assembly, which may take a day or two considering how much dust it is. Oh my god. Well, I've cleaned it. I have, well, not new but used, but better top buttons. This thing snapped in half. Well, it was already cracked, but when I just pressed a little to clean it, it snapped. So I had to glue it here, and I'm not gonna paint it because it might be even more damaged. There are some body shells that are too sensitive to be even painted, so let me start with this. I have here a new original but well, front and back. This is the same as the 6600i. The same procedure. Nothing too different. Wait, I almost forgot about this. I'll take the excess off. Okay. Sticky. Okay. Can also put the main board here. The struggle is real when you don't have new parts. Okay. To give this baby a test drive. The thumbnail picture. Again, the thumbnail picture. Now let's turn it on. Okay. $168 talk towers. Testing the microphone. Well, that's kind of it. That's enough for this one as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.